Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to do photo editing in PC. Photo editing on Windows allows you to enhance images, adjust colors, and improve overall quality. You can use built-in tools or install free editing software. In this guide, you'll learn how to edit photos step by step using the Windows. To begin, turn on your Windows PC. Locate the photo you want to edit in File Explorer. Right-click the photo, select Open With, and choose to click Photos. Click the Edit Image icon at the top left corner. Choose Crop to trim unwanted parts. Adjust the corners to resize the image. Click Adjustment. Here, you can change brightness, contrast, and exposure. Use filters if you want preset effects. Try Mockup if you want to draw or highlight on the image. Review the changes before saving. Click Save or Save as Copy. Close the Photos app after finishing. Tip: for more advanced editing, you can install tools like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.